fried macaroni and cheese balls. Adding a little extra cheese. Whipping the egg. I'm using flour. Forming the balls with the cheese and a little water. Roll and form your balls, or you can leave them square. 1 ball. 2 balls. A lot of balls. Dip in egg, then coat with flour. I didn't want to layer or crowd them, so I cooked 6 at a time. Then deep fry until golden brown. Drain on paper towel or wire rack. These look so yummy.
Wow.
Crispy, crunchy outside. Hot and melty inside. Paired with fried rice and banana peppers.
Yes!